channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Aoife. It's nice to meet you. So today the lighting is kind of weird. It's like almost coming to evening time. It's 5:20, so the lighting outside is going a little bit down and I'm in front of a yellow lamp, so it's a little bit crazy. But I am, like, honestly, it's like day 5 of like quarantine because of the coronavirus. I'm really bored, so I don't care what time it is. I don't care how bad my lighting is. We're doing a video. Today's video is actually on a shampoo that I have for ages. I think it was in my last Lush haul or the time before that, I'm not quite sure, but I've had it for ages and I've used it like every now and again. And I've actually only started using it like in the last few weeks, like properly, like consistently. So I feel like I've really got to know the shampoo, and I feel like doing a review on it right now is perfect timing. So I'm not even going to try and pronounce this. So I bought the little bottle of this shampoo. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it. It's like completely like, I don't even know how on earth you would pronounce this. I remember in my haul that I did, I was like, I have no idea how to pronounce this, but hello, I'm back. But this is a shampoo, and it says on the bottle that it stimulating wasabi, horseradish and caffeine shampoo will turn your follicles on and thicken your hair. So this is only the 110 grams of shampoo, which isn't that. I think it's like I kind of just wanted to test it out. This shampoo, this Lush shampoo is the shampoo that in Lush that is supposed to like grow your hair. So as I got my hair cut, as you may have known, I wanted to try it out and like, you know, kind of see where we were at. Does it work? Does it stimulate? What's going on here? So my hair type would normally be dry. I really love using the Naked solid shampoos, and this was the first one that I tried that was like a liquid shampoo. So it smells like minty, should I say? Like, I'm not sure. It smells very minty, but also like something that I'm pretty sure it's like that ingredient that I have no idea how to pronounce. Because it's not horseradish or it's not caffeine. So I have no idea, but it smells really nice actually. It smells very refreshing, and it has like a consistency, like it has like little tiny grains in it. I'm not sure where they come from, which ingredient they come from, but when you put it on your head, like I've like read reviews about this because I tried this and I googled it straight away, and I was like, oh my god, it's so stimulating that I was like afraid that I had an allergic reaction to it. So it literally, like as soon as you start to rub it on your scalp, like your scalp stings. Like it's not an uncomfortable sting, but sometimes if you have like sensitive areas in your scalp, it is kind of uncomfortable. Like it's worrying at some points, but like it's really hard to describe. But oh my god, it's just so crazy how stimulating it is. I do feel like it does contribute a tiny bit to my hair growth. Like since I've cut my hair did grow a tiny bit, and this is the shampoo I've been using. So maybe, I'm not quite sure. I have been taking supplements and stuff, so maybe that also comes into account. But this really does kind of like boost your hair. Also, another point is I used to have dandruff, tiny bits of dandruff. Some shampoos just don't agree with me and give me dandruff just in like some parts of my hair, like my crown. When I'm using this shampoo, it's completely gone. Like I don't know if like the balls, like not the balls, but like I'm so bad at wording things. Like I'm not sure if it's like the grains in the shampoo that like proper stimulate or what, but like it just completely, like you will not find one piece of dandruff in my hair after like one use of the shampoo. Like it's just completely gone. And then if I switch back to my shampoo that I was using before, which was the Lush one, my dandruff does come back. So it's really good. I wouldn't be a really big sufferer of dandruff, so it wouldn't really bother me that much. When I do get dandruff, it's only a little bit, so I wouldn't like depend on it for removing my dandruff. because most of the time I just don't care anyway. But I think it's really, really good. The question is though, would I rebuy it? I think I would rebuy it for like summer months. I think in the winter, like, you just want to like have nice smells and you just want to be cozy and warm. This kind of gives your hair and your scalp like a cooling effect. I'm not sure what is in it, but it kind of makes it feel like cold. So I normally have my showers really hot, so when I have this and it makes my scalp cold, as soon as your head is cold, your whole body is cold. So I feel like even though my shower temperature is like boiling hot, I'm still cold. So because it's like winter months, we're just getting out of winter when I'm videoing this, I think it might be a better kind of summer shampoo. Or you know what, if you are so dedicated to growing your hair and have really bad dandruff, I would buy it all the time. But I just don't really care about growing my hair right now, and I don't care about my dandruff right now. So I think for me the most concerning point is the coldness in my shower, because I just want to feel comfortable in my shower. So I would leave it until summertime. I think it's so refreshing and it smells really nice. I get compliments on the smell of my hair after I wash this, after I wash it with this, so that's a plus. But yeah, for thickening my hair, I don't think it thickens my hair. I don't know why it would thicken your hair, but yeah, I think it does grow your hair a little bit, so that's pretty good. I can't really compare it to any of the solid shampoos because it just has like a different texture to all of them. So it'll be completely unfair of me to like compare it to a solid shampoo, but I think it has its own worthy. And I think for the first liquid shampoo that I did buy from Lush, I think it did pretty well. I would rate this a 7 out of 10, and I would rebuy, definitely. I would rebuy it in a bigger bottle just so it's not so small. It also, when you're squeezing it out, this is like a minor inconvenience, but it really annoys me and I don't know why, but the hole is like the ordinary hole for Lush shampoos, and because it has grains in it, it just gets clogged up for some reason, so I have to like unscrew the lid and like squeeze it out of the bottle onto my hand. And I don't know why, but that's like a minor inconvenience to me and it kind of slightly triggers me. But apart from that, maybe I'm just really lazy. But that is all I'm gonna say about the shampoo. I would rebuy and I would rate it 7 out of 10. So if you want to check out my reviews and on any other face masks, skincare or other shampoos, I have them all. I'll have them all linked down below. I do a lot of them because I'm really passionate about hair care and skincare, and really passionate about Lush and helping the environment cut waste. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video.
That's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.